Hey guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle channel. I just wanted to share my latest haul from a local fishing tackle shop in where is it, near between Norwalk and Santa Fe. It's called Sac-On Tackle, and they actually have a pretty decent price for these jigs, nomad design. So even on Amazon, you're not going to get a great deal even if you buy directly, not the third party, directly from Amazon. Sac-On does a really good job selling good, decent price items like this one. So this is what I got. I also got these jig heads with these artificial lure, which cost about $3, and then two for, I believe these two comes in a package of two. These are about 4 ounce each, and it's pretty good. Nice hook. And these glow in the dark ones are for a pair about $6.99 or $6.75, so they're a pretty good deal. Same company, like this. It's a pretty good deal. You guys need to check it out and follow for more videos and see how well I do with these jigs.